Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all doing well. Today, as we know that India is having a very type of landforms. One of the landforms today we are going to learn about the northern plains. About the northern plains. Okay. From where it starts, the northern plains, it starts from Punjab in the west, and ends to Assam in east. Okay, it starts from Punjab in west and ends to Assam in the east. And what all states cover are located in northern plains? Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Tripura. So these all states, they are located in the northern plains, you can say. Then how is the soil over there? The soil is very fertile. Fertile, it means that it is suitable for the crops to grow. From where the soil is the soil is brought from the rivers, from the northern mountain range, from the Himalayan ranges, when the snow, the covered snow, when it melts with the heat of the sun, it is flown to the northern plains. So the water, the rivers, the water carries sand, soil obviously, and rocks, small bits of rocks. So that is called, or the soil left by the rivers is called as alluvium. Okay, so this alluvium makes the soil very fertile. So due to the fertility of the soil, the area is thickly populated. How is the population over there? Thickly populated. So yeah, they are getting adequate water and fertile soil. Fine. So we have three basins over here. First of all, what is a basin? You come to know. We have three basins over here. First is the Ganga basin, the Satluj, and the third, the Brahmaputra. What is a basin? Basin is nothing but the area watered by rivers. Whatever the area surrounded, it is covered by rivers. Fine. Area watered by rivers is called as basin. Fine. Then coming, first we'll learn about the Satluj. Satluj basin, where it is covered, from where it is originated. It is originated from Tibet. Okay, Tibet, if at all you find this as a model of your map, here is Nepal, okay, here it is the Tibet area, fine. So it is originated in Tibet and near Kailash Mansarovar lake. Mansarovar is the name of a lake in Kailash, okay. Then, and where it flows into Himachal Pradesh. The river flows, the basin flows into Himachal Pradesh. Fine. From there, again it enters to Punjab. Where is Punjab? Over here. Okay, Punjab. In this way, it flows into Punjab. From there, it is flown again. It moves into Pakistan over here. Okay, it flows into Pakistan and forms. It connects in Pakistan the Indus River. It connects or it joins the Indus River. From there, it ends into the Arabian Sea. Where is the Arabian Sea? Here, Pakistan. The Indus River is over here. From there, it ends into the Arabian Sea over here. Fine. Then, what states come under Satluj Basin? Punjab and Haryana lie under Satluj Basin. Punjab and Haryana. Then, which dam is situated or built across the Satluj? Bhakra Dam is built across the Satluj Dam. Satluj Basin. What is dam? Obviously, these are four sides where the water is stored. Okay, a wall which is built across a river. It is built to hold the water back. Okay, the water stored in the bank to stop the water, to hold the water. And what all facilities are provided to the people around the surrounding areas due to the Satluj Basin? Irrigation, that is growing crops, and used for electricity. Electricity is generated. Okay, that's it. This is the wrap of our lesson.